all, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. And what about you?
I'm also well. Thank you for asking me too. So, how's your day today?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's a Sunday, so I don't have college. I'm feeling very happy.
Oh, great. So, we are here. We are meeting for the first time. So, may I know about yourself in a nutshell?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, let me introduce myself. I am Priya. I'm from Tamil Nadu. Actually, I am a student. Currently, I am studying BA English Literature. I'm a final year student, and I have a YouTube channel too called Priya's English World, where I can post spoken English related content. And right now, I'm looking for conversational videos for
Okay.
to enhance my communication skill as well as my English knowledge. So that's why I'm here, ma'am. I'm really very elated that we have connected today. So thank you for that. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. And that's it all about me. And what
Okay.
about you, ma'am? I know a little bit about yourself.
Oh, of course, definitely. I will definitely introduce myself. So, you know
Yeah.
that my name is Ruby Chaurasia and I am
Yes.
speaking to you from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about my qualification, I have done my post graduation and B.Ed as well. And comes to my hobbies, so I love listening to music, watching movies, and talking to strangers in order to enhance my
Okay.
communication skills. Because you know that I have a YouTube channel. Yeah, that's all about from my side. So,
Yeah.
hmm,
Great. Sounds just today itself, I have started my conversation journey. So I'm gonna post the conversation in my YouTube channel. So let's try. Is it really working for people's? Is which means people's are liking or not? So I want to experiment it. Actually, I'm loving to connect with people's. When I was a beginner, I did not have the confidence to make conversation. Right now, after 1 year of consistent practice, right now I can have the confidence. I gained some confidence to make conversations. So that
okay,
should be why not I try like that.
okay. It has been 1 year. You have been learning this language.
Yeah, it took me 1 year for me to improve my communication skill.
Okay, great. And nowadays, you recently you thought that I should just start some different things regarding video conversation with learners, strangers. Recently,
Yes, ma'am. Because right now I'm in an intermediate level, so I want to enhance my communication even more. So
yes,
I think only watching videos and practicing ourselves will not improve our communication skill. We
right.
really want to connect with real peoples because here I'm not only concentrating on English fluency. For most important is communication skill. Communication skills only comes from we want to connect with people.
Practice, of course. Yeah, there is a like a CC formula. If you are consuming a lot of stuff, but at the same time you are not speaking, so how it's possible we can speak this language? That's
Yeah,
why speaking is must important. Like how did we learn our mother tongue? Just listening and speaking. So we should follow the same formula here. We are not a native speaker. This is a second language for us. So how it's possible we can learn this language in a month, in a like a couple of months? It's not possible, I guess. But yeah, it totally depend on this thing, how much you are determined. If you are determined towards learning, so you can definitely learn this language very flawlessly. Yeah.
yeah,
But first of all, we should
absolutely.
think like that. This is just a language. Don't feel like a burden. If we are thinking like a, oh my God, how we can learn this language? I'm not good. I have no idea like regarding grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary. Because most of the people they have this kind of doubts. Yeah. So we are
Yes,
just wrapping our mind towards grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, and we forget there is
yeah,
another challenging we can say communication. Why we have adopted this language? We have adopted this language just because of communication. I want to share my ideas, my thought front of my friends, viewers, or stranger very flawlessly. The main motto is really simple, but we are making like a huddle. We are creating some huddles in our mind regarding this language. Yeah. most of the people, they have idea, but they are making this language as a burden. They thought that, oh
Yeah.
my god, I'm not able to speak, how I can speak this language. So we should try to speak with learners, strangers. Nowadays we are in this era, technology, so we have a lot of ways where we can just find some ways, and where we can practice with learners, with strangers, and some AI tools are also available. We can use those kind of tools, yeah, and we can learn this language very easily. Hmm.
You are absolutely right. Yes, when I was a beginner, I also used such application called Ace Fluency and CV Speakify.
So, how was your experience on Ace Fluency?
Ace Fluency, according to Ace Fluency, uh, yeah, it was quite good, but I did not continue for a long time there. So then
Okay,
I shifted to CV Speaking English application. So it is
okay,
one of the best application which I have ever used. Yeah, I have installed that application from Play Store. So
okay,
I have used for 3 months freely, which means
okay,
where you can find both facilities, paid and unpaid. When I was a beginner, I just used that 30 minutes free talk time in CV application. It's really useful for me. It used. So
oh
I
yes,
just improved my speaking skill just by using CV application. And as usual, listening, speaking, and practicing ourselves like it is. I have improved. You know one thing. Right now, I have been passionate about learning this language. I want to explore more things.
okay, yes,
So
yes,
I just chose this platform as a conversational to enhance my communication skill.
of course, you can learn this language very flawlessly. So, I want to ask you these days, which kind of method do you use in order to enhance your communication skills?
Okay. Actually, we already knew it. There is four aspects of learning a language. LSRW. So right now, I'm quite busy with my studies too because I am a final year student. I have a project, so I want to take care of my semesters too. So I use listening and speaking. I have a habit of reading books too, but for past 1 month I stopped reading books. Why? Because I had a cold, little bit fever during winters, due to winters especially. So right
Okay.
now I'm okay. So I want to continue my reading habit too. I have chosen a book called Secret. Lot of YouTubers have posted a video about that book, so I want to explore it.
Okay, so what have you learned from these books? Would you like to share
Okay.
with me? Hmm.
Yeah, of course. Definitely, this message would helpful for a lot of people because which I have experiment in my life. The
Okay.
first is I have completed the book name called Magic, which is also from Secret. The author is same Rhonda Byron. So in
Okay.
that book, it described all about gratitude. Gratitude. There is a one magic word called thank you. Thank you is
Hmm.
the magic word. Nowadays we also only criticizing complaining the things which we didn't have in our life,
Hmm.
but we forgot to focus on the blessings which we have already in our life. So after reading the book I came to know about the powerful word thank you and the useful tips of gratitude, practicing gratitude, how it will change our life. Even we can use the gratitude to transform our life for
Okay.
relationship, money, and we can also manifest all our dreams. Then after what should I did is I just experimented those things in my life. And the first thing you can see right now, my YouTube studio setup. I manifested the dreams. I would happily tell this news to
Oh,
everyone. I manifested. Why? Because I'm a student. In my family side, my parents wouldn't support it for YouTube channels too. When I was a beginner, my father not allow me to do it because
okay.
my right now I have manifested. I got my parents' support and attention. They are looking me. Yes, Priya is working something hard, so we will support her. It is unexpected things which happened in my life. So I think
Okay.
I felt it's blessed for me.
So now your parents are supporting you. You are doing
Yeah,
great. Oh, that's
yeah.
great.
With the help of my father, right now you can see I have a separate room for shoot videos and study purpose too. Because this
Okay.
was my childhood dream. From my childhood to my college days, I did not have a separate room to study. So this dream I was manifested. So I felt very happy.
Now you have. Okay, you have already completed.
It happened. So I thought it was manifestation. I just believing in the power of our thoughts.
Oh, great, great. You are already just doing great thing. So what is your future plan you want to be?
Yeah, my future plan is to want to become a communication trainer, especially English language trainer. As well as I would like to become a life coach, which means where I can share these kind of positive information for people. As well as I would like to become a soft skills trainer.
Oh, okay, great, great. And now you are on the path. You are learning
Yeah,
this language. Okay,
yeah. Right
okay.
now I'm in my path. Actually, I found out my passion, and
Hmm.
this was my need. So that's why I'm doing it.
Okay, okay. So maybe,
About
of course, you are watching some videos on YouTube. So which kind of channel do you follow?
yeah. Um, what purpose you are asking for? You're asking for English?
For English, for any other thing like manifesting or some other. Of course, most of the time we consume some content on YouTube. Yes, most
Yes.
of the time, yeah, we just scroll. Which kind of just video do you watch?
Okay. When it come to manifestation, I did not know what is manifestation. I watched
Okay,
a video called Shahala Pervin. She was from Kerala. She was the
okay,
author of a book called The Beauty of Purpose in Life. That was the first book which I have read. Just by reading those books, I came to know about law of attraction, manifestation, some these kind of things. So when I saw the term law of attraction, she shared some insights of her own stories. No, so I just got a thought: why don't we try it in our life? Why don't we experiment it like it is? So one of her channel called Shala Pavin, I watched. That channel was in English. And
hmm.
next one is Siri Ramala.
Oh
Siri
yeah,
Ramala
I
is a
know her.
YouTuber. She was from Telangana, I think.
Yes,
Actually, she was inspiration for me.
she has completed BCom this year or last year, I guess.
Did you watch her videos?
Yes, I know her. I watch her
Yeah, she's
videos
famous,
frequently.
famous.
She speaks really well. She is down to earth person. Hmm.
Yeah. Actually, she speak from her heart. She did not put any effort, fancy steps to convey or impress others. She naturally, normally speaking. So that was
Yeah.
the one thing I inspired from her.
Yes, yes, yes. She's very simple and sober girl.
The next channel is Dr. Sandeep Patel. He was a communication trainer. The one speciality from his channel is he won't take any grammatical steps like tenses, verbs, nothing. He would train the people like psychological way, practical method to learn English, how to improve communication. Just by listening and speaking, you can improve. Which
Oh,
means he supports a practical way, not a grammatical way. So that was one of the channel I followed. And nowadays
okay.
I'm watching your videos and conversation videos. A lot of mentors are doing conversations. I think Shanta something, one of a ma'am also doing conversation. Ram sir, Sunil sir.
Yes.
So like it is, I'm just watching the conversation video. How you are just expressing your ideas, making conversation, interacting with people. So you are the persons who got inspired for me.
Oh, your beautiful words. I know, like Ram, I know Santa ma'am. She is also from southern part of India. Santa ma'am and maybe Ram is also from southern part of India.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
Yeah. How long have you been learning this language, ma'am? Especially English.
Okay, I have mentioned that it has been 1 year.
1 year. Okay, got it. Even I too.
Hmm. Okay, we are on the same boat. I can say we started
Yes.
our journey at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really amazing conversation with you. Bye bye and take care. Yeah.